So hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to discuss about the circuit breakers used in the industries. So what are the most important circuit breakers used in the industrial purpose? We are going to discuss in details about these things. So please watch this video till the end because this video is going to be very important. So let's start the video without taking much time. So the first circuit breaker which is very importantly used in the industries, that is MCB. So MCB is also known as miniature circuit breaker, and the use of MCB is generally to protect an electrical circuit from the overcurrent, and the range of the current rating of MCB, that is from 6 ampere to 125 ampere. And the next circuit breaker which is very importantly used in the industries, that is ELCB. So ELCB is also known as earth leakage circuit breaker, and it is used in the electrical installations with high earth impedance to prevent the shock, and the range of the current rating of ELCB, that is from 8 ampere to 40 ampere. So the next circuit breaker which is very important also, that is RCCB. RCCB is also known as residual current circuit breaker, and it is a current sensing device which can automatically measure and disconnect the circuit whenever a fault occurs in the circuit. So it's generally used as a disconnector for the fault in the electrical circuit, and the range of the current rating is here 25 ampere to 30 ampere. So next circuit breaker is MCCB. So MCCB is also known as molded case circuit breaker, and the use of the MCCB is when the load current exceeds the limit of a MCB. Whenever the limit of a MCB is exceeded, then in that case we will use the MCCB, and it's generally having higher current rating up to 2500 amperes. Okay, so the next circuit breaker, that is ACB. So ACB is also known as the air circuit breaker, and it is used to provide the overcurrent and the short circuit protection. Okay, so the range of the current in ACB, that is from 400 to 1600 amperes. Okay, so the next circuit breaker, that is VCB. So VCB is generally known as a vacuum circuit breaker, and it is used in the medium voltage applications, and where the voltage ranges from 11 kV to 33 kV. Okay, so next, that is final circuit breaker, MOCB. So MOCB is generally known as a minimum oil circuit breaker, and it is an improvement over the bulk oil circuit breaker, and the range of the circuit breaker is from 1 kV to 765 kilovolt. So it's all about the circuit breakers used in the industries. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.